recording. Here we go. Okay, let me go get the hot dogs, okay? Okay, here we go. My goodness. Hello. You ready? Happy Tuesday. Huh? Ooh, little bit. Okay. Oh, that made you feel like a big boy. Here we go. Got company. Y'all feel the temperature is changing, don't you? Y'all are in a race to see who can get the biggest before November 30th? Are ya? Hey, little bit. So happy Tuesday, everybody. I hope you're doing well. We got a lot of dogs barking around the house tonight. We got them across the street, next door, and next door. So, let's just hope. Anyway, let's see, what we did today. See, I worked. Jim laid around the house. The VOE came and changed his bandages. Stop it. And then, let's see. I went and bought 42 pounds of hot dogs. And then, I bought a few more groceries. And then, we're supposed to get a lot of rain. We're under a rainfall warning. I think Franklin's going to go to the right of us. We're just going to get the rain. We're not going to get the wind or any of that. And then, go baby. So for all of my friends and our fans that are down in Florida, you know the routine. Please stay safe. We've got a couple of special ones, Elizabeth and Hugh, and Elizabeth and Liz. A lot of friends down there. Please stay safe. I know Elizabeth and Hugh, this thing's going to come right by you guys, if not right over you. So please be careful. And then I want to say thank you to Rachel and Marcus. We got your packages today that you had given us the heads up that were coming. And I want to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We loved them. We loved every bit of it. Thank you so much. It was very kind. I hope y'all just saw that. Woody came up on the deck and got hot dogs. So for anybody that's been questioning where Woody is, Woody was just in the house. Hi, baby. There you go. Want to try again? So Jim's just been laying around a lot today. He was kind of tired and a little bit, there you go, sore from the visit to Halifax yesterday. So just pretty much laid around, which he deserved to. I cooked dinner this evening, so I made roast and potatoes and carrots, and he loved that. So he ate really good. And then when I went to the grocery store, he, when he was in the hospital, he had made the comments about how wonderful it was, and I thought he was being, you know, kind of a smart aleck about it, or making some kind of jokes, but he was actually serious, how wonderful the Jell-O was. So, I looked all over the grocery store today for Jell-O, and I found it. For those of you that are about my age, we were the first generation to actually get snack packs. And actually, Snack Pack still makes Jell-O and pudding. So I got him some Jell-O. Oh my gosh. When I told him today that I said, after dinner, I said, what can I get you? Because he usually eats a popsicle or something. And he says, well, what do you have? And I said, I've got Jell-O. And he looked up like a kid in a candy store, and I said, yep, I've got Jell-O. And he says, oh, I'll have Jell-O. And I said, do you want red or orange? And he says, I'll pick red. So he loves his Jell-O. Bless his heart. So I'm glad I got plenty of it. And then I think it's either Dole, I think it's Dole, makes a Jell-O that's made with fruit juice. And I got some of that too today, so I'm going to let him try that because I've never tried that either. So, you too? No fighting. Here you go, little one. So, yeah. Everything's good in the Blackwood world. So, he's on the mend. And his VON nurse told him today that his wound is a lot better. So I thought that was good. So, and he's still on the probiotics. He's doing really good with those. So, and his surgeon commended me yesterday for having him on probiotics, and so did the VON. So, I personally, that's just a protocol. Anytime anybody has to resort to taking antibiotics, they need to go automatically on probiotics too.
Don't you think so? Don't you think so? Yes.
You want to get in? Here, get you something out. Go ahead, get it. There you go. Molly, you were here at 6 o'clock tonight. She came all by herself, and she was eating dry food, and she was eating bird seeds. Hey, Lacey, what you doing, baby girl? So I've got my boots on, which I will be wearing from now on, because there was a little bit of excitement the other night when I got mobbed, and I got a few little nicks on my ankles because they were exposed. They weren't completely covered. And there we go. There we go. Trying to get one over there to Peaches. There we go. Herbie? There, girl. There she is. So, Lacey, I feel you playing with my boots. You want something? Okay, I don't know if y'all can see this one. He's just laying down and he's all relaxed. Here we go. Uh-oh. Lacey, what are you doing, baby girl? What you doing? I know, you just want to rub, don't you? Yes, you do. Here, Furby. There you go. There's a dog right there. You get a hot dog. You want one?
Do you want a hot dog? Yes. Ah.
Hello, baby. Hello. You got something? Yes. There you go, Molly. There you go. Are you Tina? You might be Tina. Yep, you're Tina. You're growing now. Yes, you are. There's Bandit. Uh-oh. Go. Hang on, Bandit. There you go, buddy. You're Furby. So I have another one right here. Oh, somebody's right there. All right, Krabby, you better behave. Goodness, there we go. Do you want some? There, Furby. Hello, everybody. Go. Got everybody's pretty quiet tonight. Not very much fighting. There we go. There we go. Everybody's being really good. Hang on a little bit. I'm coming. Little bit. Hi there, little one. I'm going to get one to this one back here. There we go. Okay, here we go. You want to get it yourself, don't you? There we go. Hey. Get what you want. Get it? Here. Get what you want. You gonna get it? Huh? You gonna get it? My goodness. It's okay. Are you just wanting to play? Now that was Bubba. There. Go. Goodness. A lot of raccoons. It's coming down. There we go. More coming. There we go. You want to get it yourself. All right, you get it. Uh-oh. There we go, little one. You're going to get this. Are you going to get this? Are you going to get it? Are you going to get it, baby? You're going to get it. Ah. Hey, boy. We're almost out of hot dogs, aren't we? Yeah, I don't think you want a hot dog. You just want to be petted. Yes, you do. That's all you want. Yes, it is. That's all you want, baby. Yes. Okay, here we go. Here, Barbie. There. All right, y'all about ready for cookies? Oh, everybody says it's raising up. Cookies. Okay, I gotta get up. You gotta let me up. You gonna let me up? Let mommy up. Here we go. All right. Watch out where I'm stepping. Be careful. No tails. Don't want to step on any tails. Hello, Peaches. There, little one. Okay. You ready for cookies? There's 10 cookies going to the yard. There we go. More cookies on the ground. There, little one. Goodness. Goodness, look at all the babies. Alright, let's do a head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 29. That's everybody on the ground. Oops, I got one here behind me. Make that 30. Okay. Hey, Scooter. What are you doing? Hang on. I should have known that was you behind me because you like the corners. Yes. Here we go. Marshmallow time. Hey, Krabby. Alright. We're not going to be mean. Okay, marshmallows on the ground. In the yard. Don't you be ugly. I saw that, Krabby. I'll put you on the road. You're still bigger than them. Stop it. Okay, now, everybody looks like they're happy. Yes. Let's see what we got here. Oh, goodness. Want to say hello? Hmm? Yes. Say hi there. Goodness, where are they? Look at that baby. Hello. You looking in the door? What you looking at? Huh? What you looking at? My goodness. Aren't they little? And we got the one here at the table. Aren't they sweet? Okay, so we're about ready to go in and see the man. Yes. Yeah, we ready to go see Daddy? Okay. All right. What you doing? Hmm? Okay, I'm gonna go in. Go tell Daddy we're coming. No, go back. Nobody's going in the house. Goodness. One almost made it in. Mercy. Alright. Okay, there's Connor cat. I've got to get my boots off before I go any further. Alright. Connor? You gonna say hello? Connor? Connor? You just had supper. Yes, you did. You just had supper. Yes, you did. Come on in here with us. We're gonna go see Daddy. Come on. Gonna turn the light on.
Hi everybody. I was too sore to get out there tonight.
I was telling him that. You had a long day yesterday and it kind of took its toll on you.
Yeah, and I had a hard day today, but I never got off this couch all day.
Yep.
No, it's too hard to move around and can't sit up.
Nope. You just got time. No rush.
No.
You did a little bit too much yesterday.
Yeah, the nurse was here today and doctored me up down there.
Yep. She said you were doing good though.
Yeah.
She sure did.
It's in the worst place for stitches.
I know.
Terrible place. Yeah.
Yeah. What you watching?
Huh?
What do you
That's
want?
the baseball game between Dartmouth and Halifax, and it's top of the ninth, tied 0-0.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So they'll go into extra innings.
Huh?
Maybe. If nobody scores.
They're they're the top teams in the province.
Oh, okay.
They're same age as the ball players, like the Blue Jays and that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So anyway, and my stomach's kind of swelled.
Yeah, you're a little bloated, but you'll be all right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my drainage is still going good, so.
Yeah, you went real well today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad he didn't take it out because that would have filled up my
Yeah, I know.
stomach cavity, and he decided to leave it in for a while.
Yep.
Yeah.
I was telling him you got to eat Jell-O tonight.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
That was a good surprise.
Yeah. Had a very good supper.
Yep.
Yeah. Better than the hospital.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh my God.
That's not saying much.
I'd lift up the plate cover, drop it, and just say, "Get away from me."
I know.
Oh,
I
look.
was there. I even said, "What is that?"
And the girl said, "Nobody eats it."
I know. Nobody eats it.
Yeah, she said, "Nobody eats that." She said, "It's just from the kitchen." Yeah.
I know.
There's Mr. Connor.
Yeah.
Come here, baby. Come here, see your daddy. There he is.
Yep.
He's a good boy.
He's a very good boy.
Well, he wasn't good this morning. Come in and jumped on me
Aw.
in the bedroom. Come in full flight
Did he?
and landed right on me.
He had a full belly from breakfast because I fed him.
Were you eating?
So, yes, I was. I
Were
just
ya?
had a snack.
Yeah.
He had some dry food.
He's a good boy.
He is
He's a
good
good boy, aren't you, Connor? Yeah.
when he wants to be. We had 30 tonight.
Huh?
30 raccoons.
Oh my God. When's it going to end? Huh?
December.
When they're going to be full size the end of September.
I know, by the end of September, but it'll end in December
Yeah.
when they all go to bed unless Simon decides to stay up.
Unless we have another Christmas
Yeah.
like we had last year.
Simon stayed up all winter.
They were here, yeah, they're here all winter.
Yep.
We'll have to move the bench in tomorrow night.
I know. We're getting a lot of rain. And I was telling
Heavy rain and thunder
Yeah.
and lightning. And
Yep. I was telling our friends in Florida they need to get batted down.
You're darn right. I see they're putting plywood up over the windows now.
Yep, they sure are.
Yeah, with the wind, boy, they're getting heavy winds.
Yep. Well, we're going to go.
And people worried about getting to Orlando for the Disney World, and it's going right over top of that.
Yeah.
They won't be open.
No.
No.
Well, we're going to go.
All right.
All right. Well, everybody, we will see you tomorrow night.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Maybe I'll be a little better.
Yeah. We'll see.
All right.
Okay.
See you later.
All right. Bye-bye.